impact in one phrase: aging better. My dad started to have dementia during the COVID times. He had a really bad fall from the second floor and hospitalized for 2 weeks. In those times, I realized my mom called me and my brother if she only had a button to just press.
Before starting Life Circle, I was heading a chain of maternity hospitals in India. My mother had a knee replacement surgery. Despite running a hospital chain, I was not able to find a caregiver for my mother.
For 25 years, we are a technical company, but now we have the ability to have a marketing platform.
It helps us to increase our productivity in such a great way, 2 times than what we have did before. And so we can make so much more inclusive clothing, receive more orders, and in turn to have so much more beneficiaries than before.
Have already expanded the shelf life to 28 days, which means that we will be able to ship to the further countries as well as actually sourcing from further areas of Indonesia.
We had a very small team, but after DBS Foundation supported us, that makes us have more ability to recruit our member.
One of the most important challenges that we were facing in scaling up our business was training caregivers. We are able to train youth to become caregivers and find dignified job opportunities.
上海的老龄化率非常高，3个多人就有1个人是老年人，被诊断出来的有30万都是认知症的长者。那我们希望通过我们基金会的支持，能扩大我们的影响力，而不仅仅是我们华康所能覆盖的这些长者。
Working together with DBS will hopefully allow us to impact more in the community better, because DBS is already out there.
Aging better.
Bringing fresh smiles to the world and to the rural areas of Indonesia.
Aging with dignity.
温暖康护，医养住家。
Excellent specialist care for all.